In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively download high-quality images from your Canva project, ensuring you achieve the best resolution possible for your needs. Whether you're creating graphics for print or digital use, it's essential to preserve that high resolution to maintain clarity and professionalism. Let's dive in and explore how it's done. First, you'll want to navigate to your Canva project. Once you're on the Canva website, simply log into your account if you're not already. You will then see a dashboard with all your existing projects. Select the specific project that you want to download. It's so crucial to start at this step because ensuring you're working with the right design will save you time and avoid any unnecessary frustration down the line. Once you've opened your desired project, look to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There you'll see the Share button. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Download. This option will open up additional settings you'll want to be mindful of to ensure you get the best quality possible. Here's where an important detail comes in. When you are presented with the file types, you'll notice options like PNG, JPEG, and PDF. If printing high-resolution imagery is your goal, go ahead and select PDF Standard as your file type. You might be wondering why not PNG, especially since it's a commonly used format for images. The reason is that while PNG offers a decent quality, its DPI, dots per inch, is only around 96, which isn't optimal for print. By selecting PDF Standard, you're elevating the design quality up to 300 DPI, offering that printer-friendly crispness you're looking for. After selecting PDF Standard, it's time to hit that Download button. Your Canva project is now being prepared in the highest available resolution, and shortly you'll have a file ready on your device. While you wait for the download, which usually takes just a few moments depending on the project's file size, it's a good time to review any other components you might need for your project, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. Finally, once the download is complete, you'll have your design saved directly to your computer or chosen device, and voila, you are done. You now have a high-resolution file ready to be printed or shared digitally, as needed. This method ensures that all the work and creativity you've invested into your design isn't compromised by lower quality when it's finally time to put it to use. By following this guide, you've equipped yourself with a straightforward yet effective approach to handling Canva downloads, ensuring your designs always look their best. Thanks for watching and happy designing.